Hey there, my name's Dustin with DashSkin. If your dashboard looks like this, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know before you order your DashSkin.
First things first, let's talk compatibility. This DashSkin model is compatible with a range of RX SUVs. Now before you go ahead and place your order, there are two critical details you need to check in your vehicle. First, take a look at the center of your dash. Do you see a center speaker right above the radio? Second, open up your driver's side door. Located on the door jamb, you'll find a black sticker with white print. In the bottom left corner, you'll find C/TR followed by two codes. The second code, starting with either FA or LA, is the code that indicates your dash color. Now, let's address some of the most commonly asked questions we get about our product. What is a DashSkin? Well, a DashSkin is a hard plastic dash cover molded precisely to the shape of your dash. It easily installs over your cracks and holes like a shell to make your dashboard look brand new. What's included?
You get a DashSkin. You get a detailed install guide and a tube of glue.
Why is there a hole in the passenger side? My vehicle doesn't have a hole there. This opening is to allow for deployment of the passenger side airbag, which is hidden in the section of the dash.
For safety reasons, we do not offer an airbag cover.
Does the texture and color match? You bet. Our covers have the same texture used on the original dash. As for the color, we match it as closely as possible. Sometimes it may be a shade lighter or a shade darker, depending on how faded your dash is.
And there you have it. That's everything you need to know before ordering your DashSkin and giving your vehicle's dashboard a new lease on life. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our support team and we can answer any of those questions about it. Thank you.